Sup? Dividends, Ex-Dividends in particular, let's talk about them. I got your lineup for Ex-Dividends next week. The companies you need to buy that are dividend champions, these are companies that have increased their dividend for at least 25 years, but unlike the dividend aristocrats, there is no market cap. So these are all solid dividend paying companies. They're going ex-dividend next week. And all that means is you need to buy the day before the ex-dividend date. If you buy on the ex-dividend date, you will not qualify for the dividend for another 90 days. If you didn't catch my video where I went over how you buy and receive dividends in less than 75 seconds, please do check that out. And let's get to it without further ado. Oh, one more word about the ex-dividend date, because the stock is trading ex-dividend or without the dividend. The stock price will drop by the dividend amount. If the company pays 50 cents, it has to open at least 50 cents lower because the dividend is being paid out. So let's get to the dividends for next week, starting on February 16th, 2021. Oh, and one more thing. These are dividend champions. I've filtered out, I've done the research and got only the dividend champions for you. Unlike the dividend aristocrats, which have paid a growing dividend for 25 years or more, the dividend champions do not have a market cap. So some of these are going to be smaller market cap companies. But you need to know they have been all paying a dividend for at least a quarter of a century. So now let's get to the dividends coming up next week. Going next dividend, Tuesday, February 16th, we have Target, ticker symbol TGT, the general merchandise retailer, currently paying a 1.41% yield and 68 cents a share. Then we have Chevron Corp, ticker symbol CVX, paying 5.66% yield, very heavy, very healthy, $1.29 a share. And they are super strong in my opinion. I love Chevron because they are vertically integrated. They are involved in all three stages of the oil, from extracting to shipping to processing. Consolidated Edison, ticker symbol ED, is the regulated electric, gas, and steam company, paying a 4.22% dividend or 77.5 cents a share. And last, I'm going to use this as motivation, is Aflac, ticker symbol AFL. They are the supplemental life and health insurance company, paying 2.44% yield, 33 cents a share. I just did a video on Aflac. Check it out here, right here, and see if Aflac is right for you. And on Wednesday the 17th, we have SouthsideBank shares, ticker symbol SBSI. They provide financial services to individuals, businesses, and municipalities, amongst others, currently at a 3.69% yield, 32 cents a share. Thursday, February 18th, Walgreens Boots Alliance, ticker symbol WBA. They are the pharmacy-led health and beauty retailer. Everybody knows and loves Walgreens. 3.65% yield, currently paying 46.75 cents per share. PPG Industries, ticker symbol PPG, Pittsburgh Plate and Glass. They manufacture paints, coatings, and specialty materials worldwide, paying 1.49% yield and 54 centavos per share. Carlisle Company, ticker symbol CSL. They are a manufacturer of engineered international products, currently paying a 1.34% yield at 52.5 cents per share. And also going ex-dividend on the 18th is MSA Safety Incorporated, ticker symbol MSA. They supply safety products worldwide, and they pay a 1.03% yield at 43 cents per share. And rounding up the last of the champions to go ex-dividend next week on Friday the 19th is Atmos Energy Corp, ticker symbol ATO. They are a regulated natural gas distribution and pipeline storage company, currently paying a 2.62% yield and 62.5 cents per share. That's the roundup of the companies you need to know about that are dividend champions, paying a dividend consecutively for at least 25 years, going ex-dividend next week. We'll do this again next Thursday, same dividend place, same dividend channel, telling you about all the dividend champions that are going ex the week ahead, so you can be in and you can get those last shares in before they go ex-dividend and collect that dividend. And I will talk to you. No, wait a minute. If you've got value from this and I've helped you in any way, please help me out with a like and subscribe. Costs nothing for you. Really good return on investment for the low price of free. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with me, and I will talk to you in the next video.